everyone, this is Parker with Truck Tops in Santa Rosa. Today we're going to go over this 5x8 dump made by Iron Panther. So starting from the front of this trailer, it's pretty straightforward. It's got a 2K A-frame jack. It is adjustable, so it makes it a little bit quicker when you want to lower it down. It does come equipped with safety chains, of course, and it comes with a traditional 7-way plug. It's a 7-way on this trailer because it's got electric brakes, which is fairly abnormal for a trailer this small, so it's definitely an upgrade getting the electric brakes with the 5,000-pound axle like this one's got. One thing that's nice that Iron Panther does on all their trailers is they weld on these little safety chain hooks, so they're not sitting there on the ground when you're disconnected from the trailer. As far as the pump and everything goes, it's all located in here. All of our dump trailers are pretty much the same. Sometimes they're a different configuration as far as the box goes, but you got your deep cycle battery, you got your 12-volt pump there, and then this right here is going to be your 110 charger. So you just plug it into a normal wall outlet and it'll charge the battery overnight for you. It's also got a little battery level reader on the side. You press the button on the side there and it'll tell you how much charge you got. Pretty straightforward there. Once again, the dimensions on this trailer are 5 foot wide by 8 foot long. You'll see that they do a 4-inch C-channel tongue in the front, and then they step up to a 3-inch C-channel for the main frame of the trailer. Iron Panther does make this trailer with a 12-gauge floor, 12-gauge front, and then 14-gauge sidewalls. Just like their big dumps, though, the one thing that's nice that they do is they put a lot of these supports on the sidewalls, and they tie down into the subfloor. And it really helps to stiffen up those sidewalls. Like I've mentioned before, a lot of dump trailers, they take the sheet metal and they just bend them over right there on this corner. There's no real actual frame on the perimeter. And that's a 4x2 tube, so it's nice and rigid. Trailer does come equipped. Well, we equip them with TARP kits. It is an option on this trailer, I believe, but we equip them with the TARP kit standard. There is stake pockets running down the sidewalls and the front trailer, so you can build it up higher if you'd like. Nice heavy-duty diamond plate fenders. You could step on them and they'll support most people. Say usually max out right around 200 pounds. Trailer does have all LED lighting. You'll see that they do the nice little small LED lights on the fenders there. I forgot to mention this trailer is a power up, power down pump, so it helps regulate going downward. This trailer, like I mentioned before, is equipped with a 5,000-pound axle. Their base comes with a 3,000 pounds, so you'll see this is a 6-lug, 5,000-pound with electric brakes, and then it's got the 225/75 R15 tires. Just like all their trailers, it's a 2-part epoxy paint, so a nice high-quality finish. Double doors on the back of this trailer makes it a little bit nicer when you're at the dumps. It doesn't have to swing out quite as wide in order to, it makes it a little easier with clearances. When you got one door, it can be a little difficult. You got to have a lot of clearance on the side of the trailer when you're going to dump it. And then, like all their other dump trailers, they got these rear hooks in the back. So you'll see right there, the tarp's equipped with a tarp bar. When you want to extend it out, bring it back, hooks into these hooks in the back. Overall, nice little dump trailer, really straightforward. You get a year bumper-to-bumper warranty. If you got any questions or if you'd like to purchase one, just visit our website, www.trucktopsusa.com. Thanks.